Welcome back, my beta army. You are watching Tech Joker, and I'm your Joker. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to implement logistic regression, and we are using a Kaggle dataset for these questions. Okay, so without wasting our time, just jump into the video because if you are my student, you already know what is logistic regression. So let's go. Okay, so I'm just giving a sarcastic smile because I literally just recorded the whole video of implementation and I just forgot to start and clicking the recording button. So I'm just, angry from myself and what I will say. So, okay, so keep it aside. Let's do it because I was running like a horse in that video, so it's better that I will go slowly and slowly and slowly because there's a fun when we do slowly and slowly. Okay, so let's do means let's open Google Chrome. Okay, and yeah, this one. Okay, first of all, you go to Kaggle. If you don't know what is Kaggle, Kaggle is a place where you can find so much data. Means no, not so much data, but free data for your learning purpose. Okay, and in the Kaggle, you just have to go here and search what you want. Means I want logistic regression data. So just search logistic regression. After here, you will see logistic regression where just click on small. Just click in here and sorry, just click on download 2 KBs and just unarchive it. After that, you have to come here on the Google Colab, change the name to logistic regression. How to use Google Colab, why to use Google Colab, I already told you in the implementation of linear regression. If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. Okay, so now what we have to do, we just have to click on this, and here this is my CSV file. Just import it and it will come here like this. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just import the libraries. Here we will import four things using two libraries: pandas for managing the CSV files and sklearn for our regression purpose. Okay, from sklearn we will use train test split function, which is split our data in training and testing. Logistic regression, because it's a logistic regression model and it is logistic regression implementation, so it is most important thing. And from metrics we want accuracy score, how much accurate it is, classification report, and confusion metrics. Okay, if you don't know what is confusion metrics, then I have explained it in the deep learning or machine learning intro. Just go and check out both, you will understand. Okay, if I will teach here, then it will take 5 to 6 minutes, and which is wasted of many student time. So just click shift enter. Now I will use a file part. In the file part variable, I will just here and copy part and just sorry, I was, yeah, so just paste here your part, and then df equal to pd dot read csv and file part, means here it is file part. Just you have loaded your csv file. Now let's check our csv file. Df dot head. Okay, so this df dot head is a function which gives top 5 elements of your file. So here I can see that there is user id, gender, age, estimate salary, purchased. First of all, if you are my student and you have watched my data science playlist, then you should know that we should remove the independent variable which we do not require. Here you can see that we have to calculate that person will purchase a property or not. Okay, so gender, it is important, age is important, estimated salary is also important, but what is useless is user id, because everyone have their own unique user id, and of course it's completely useless. So what we will do here, we have to remove user id, and we have to change gender from male female to 0 and 1, because logistic regression work on numbers, and we have to give input of x and y both as a number. Okay, so first of all we will convert it into the number df gender equal gender dot map function will convert female to 0 and male to 1. Okay, let's check df dot head. Okay, now you can see that 0 1 2 3 4 is okay. Gender is 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so we have completely changed female and male to 0 to 1. Okay, now male and female are binary. Now people will come from LGBTQ and gender are non-binary. There are many. Okay, I'm going to be banned for this thing. Okay, so just focus on the coding part, and we will specify x and y. In the x we will put gender, age, estimated salary, and in the y we will use purchased, because we it is dependent, we have to find, and we will use this, and we don't need this, so we are not considering it. Just shift enter, x dot head. Okay, so now you can see that it is g- gen- gender is 0 1 2 3, sorry, this is index. Gender is 1 1 0 0 1 1. Age is this, estimate salary is this is x and this is y. And now is the simple things which we have done in simple linear regression. And if you haven't seen my linear regression implementation, go and watch. Okay, here we will use train test split function, which take x, y, and test size. Test size is how many, means 0.3 means 30% will be test size and 70% will train size. And 0.3 is like you can change it by yourself, but 0.3 is my favorite because it work mostly in 95% cases. 0.3 will work just fine. And after that, random state equal to 42 means that it is random seed. Random seed means if I use random function and set some seed, and say just give me a random number, then the number it will give me, if you have taken the same seed, it will give you the same number, random number. Okay, so it is random state equal to 42, and now we this function give up four things: the x train, x test, y train, y test in same order. So you have to put variable in the same order. After that, we have to create a variable model, and in it we have to put logistic regression. Why logistic regression? Because logistic regression is the thing we are implementing in this video. I don't know why I said this thing. Okay, so never mind. After that, of course, Python is like a English, so just we say model dot fit extend and y train. Just take learning data. X is our questions, Y is our answers. So learn it. After that, we will say that what you have learned, just predict it using model dot predict. So simple English it have. I love Python so much. It's like a kissy. Kiss is like orgasmic language. Okay, so Okay, and yes, I'm not high on the weed before making this video. Just it's like I'm getting more comfortable with all of you guys because you are part of my family now. So it's good to have a bonding with the student teacher. Okay, so just we will run, and accuracy we have to give Y test, Y print in every accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report. Now we just have to is like print one by one all. First we will see what is the accuracy. 0.6, not bad, not good, but not bad because our data is very small. Confusion matrix 73 0 47 0. Okay, and classification report. Okay, so our precision for 0 is 0.61, recall is 1, F1 score is 0.76, support is 73. Okay, you here is the overall function of our model, and we can't plot it because it's multi-dimensional, means three dimension is in this and then it's four dimensional, so there is no graph for it. So this was all about the implementation, and I can see that if we remove the intro it's like 10 minutes of implement. Within 10 minutes I taught you how we can use the Kaggle and save data and then implement it using Google Colab. So it's your duty to give a like for this video and subscribe it if you are new, and share it with your friends. Say that, give them this video so they can pass in the university exams and they can have a good placement, because they should know basics machine learning algorithm before going to deep learning algorithm, so that they can have a little bit insight more interest. It will make more interesting when you learn deep learning. Okay, so this is all for this video. We will meet in the next video, which is I am thinking of SVM, the next machine learning algorithm. We will see in the next video that which we are going to cover its theory. And so thank you, bye bye. Bye.